Enforcing Article 6 of the Constitution of the Pakistan, which deals with the high treason, presents several challenges. Political influence, political dynamics, the enforcement of Article 6 offer intersects with the political landscape. Political parties and leaders may have vested interest with the influence or inflection or the outcome of high treason case. Military influence, given Pakistan history of military corps, the military role in politics can be complicate the enforcement of Article 6. The military influence can sometimes hinder judicial process, judicial independence, judicial pressure. The judiciary may face pressure from the powerful and military elites after affecting its ability to impartially adjudicate high treason case. Reduce constraints. The judiciary may also lack the necessary resources to support the handle effectively such a complex case, legal and procedure hurdles, evidentiary challenge, gathering sufficient and credible evidence to provide high treason case can be difficult, especially when dealing with the higher ranking officials. Legal ambiguities in the legal definitions and the procedural requirements for the high treason case can lead to prolonged legal battles, inconsistent interpretation, public perception is short, public opinion can be divided on this matter, especially when involve popular or controversial figure. This division can impact the political pressure. Media influence, media coverage can shape public's perception and influence judicial process, sometimes leading to sensationalism rather than objective reporting. Historical precedents, past precedents, previous high treason cases such as involving military leaders set precedents that either facilitating or hinder future enforcement efforts. The outcome of these cases can influence the judiciary approach to new cases. International relations, democratic consideration, high treason cases involving prominent figures can have international implication affecting Pakistan diplomatic relations and foreign policy implementation and consistency in enforcement. Ensuring consistent enforcement of Article 6 across different administration and political regime is challenging. Changing in government can lead to shift in priorities and approaches to high treason cases. These challenges highlighted the complexities involving in enforcing Article 6 and underscore the need for a robust of independent judicial system, clear legal framework and strong political upload and constitution governance.